Hi sir, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. May I know your good name?
Yeah, myself Ashwini.
Yeah, okay. Can I have a resume?
Yeah,
Yeah, Ashwini, so before going to the technical, quickly introduce yourself.
myself Ashwini. I'm from Hyderabad. I've done my graduation in Polymer Institute of Technology and Science. When I come to my family consists of 6 members. My mother-in-law, father-in-law, my husband and 2 daughters. My hobbies are arts and craft. I'm good at manual testing.
Yeah, okay. So you are good at manual testing.
Yeah.
So how can you rate yourself in the scale of 5?
4 I guess.
Yeah, okay. Fine. That's good score. And yeah, okay. So what is bug release?
Yeah, bug release. A software is released to the customer by set of known defects, which are like low sensitive and low severity.
Okay.
The release is known as bug release.
Okay. So if you are releasing with the bug defected software, it would cost to the end user.
No, it won't cost anything. It is low
Low
severity and low
priority.
priority.
Okay, fine. So and have you ever about the development life cycle concept?
Yeah.
Okay, what is SDLC?
Yeah, SDLC is a software development life cycle. In software development life cycle, every organization will follow the software development life cycle. It is a systematic way in which they follow, every IT organization follow to get an quality software. In software development life cycle, we have 7 phases. Software requirements gathering, software planning and analyzing, software designing, software coding, software testing,
Okay.
and software deployment and software maintenance.
Yeah, okay, fine. And so can you give the difference between retesting and regression testing?
Yeah, in retesting, like when a defect is fixed by the developer, they test like whether it is fixed properly or not is known as retesting.
Okay.
In regression testing, after a defect is fixed, is the defect is affecting any other modules, previous
Okay.
modules?
Is
Checking
not-
is known as regression testing.
Okay, so what is database testing?
Database testing is a testing checking the data related modules is known as database testing. This database testing is done by the backend test
Okay, backend tester.
testers by who knows SQL queries.
Okay.
To validate the database testing, we have 3 ways,
Okay.
like data validation, data integrity and data volume. In data validity, to check the data whether is it inserting or not data. In data integrity, in checking the data whether it is updating or not. In data volume is like to check the data by adding some sample of data to that
Okay. So fine, these all are coming under database.
database testing.
Okay, can you give what is end-to-end testing?
End-to-end testing is testing which is like checking the module from first module, checking the application from first module to last module is known as end-to-end testing.
Okay, so can
It
you
is-
give me okay?
Yeah, it is a lengthy process. It will be done only if we have enough time,
Yeah, okay.
sufficient time.
So what is the difference between white box and black box testing?
Yeah, white box testing is testing which is done by the developers, and black box testing is done by the testers. In white box testing, we have unit testing and integration testing. In black box testing, we have system testing and user acceptance testing.
Okay. And what is compatibility testing?
Compatibility testing is like checking the compatibility of both hardware and software.
Okay.
Is known as compatibility testing. In compatibility testing, we have software compatibility testing and hardware compatibility testing. In software compatibility testing, checking whether the operating system, checking the application
In different
different operating systems and browsers is known as software compatibility testing. In hardware compatibility testing, checking the application by using configuring with other devices is known as hardware compatibility testing.
Okay, so why we are performing this recovery test?
Uh, when we when the data is like delete or uninstall, we are checking for the whether the uh, recovery or
Backup
option is there or not for that.
Okay, so when any unexpected events like uninstall or delete whatever it will, so we need to check like customer would be affected. So we need to check is there recovery option is there or not. Okay, so what is ad hoc testing?
Ad hoc testing is an informal testing which is like informal testing. In this, if we have lack of time, lack of knowledge or lack of documents, this test will follow.
Okay.
In this testing we have 5 types like buddy testing. In buddy testing we test by taking help of developers. We test the application parallelly with the developer. Next, pair testing. In pair testing we take the help of another testing team and we'll test the application. In exploratory testing,
we are exploring the
exploring
search
from
engines.
the search engines and taking suggestions from the senior employees.
Okay, fine, it's enough. And so what is unit testing?
Unit testing is a first phase of
First level testing.
first level testing. This testing is done by the developers. In this testing is done after coding is completed. They check whether the coding is properly done or not.
Yeah.
And this
Okay. Fine, enough. So what is the difference between defect and bug?
Mismatch between the customer requirement and the client requirement and the actual result.
Okay.
When the tester is finds an defect from in the application is known as defect.
Okay.
Bug is like accepting the bug by accepting the defect by the developer is known as bug.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, okay, Ashwini, I think I'm done with my side. You have any queries to ask?
No sir, nothing.
Thank you. We can.